Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Web Sparrow. So viewers, in this video I will show you how you can create your own HYIP complete investment system using HYIP Lab PHP script. So let me give you the quick demo of our website that we are going to create. So this is the website that we are going to create. You can see this is the landing page of the website. Name of website is HYIP Lab. You can see here. So this is the landing page. You can directly sign up from here. Here are given some option: home, about, plan, blog, contact, and you can also change language. Whatever language you want, you can use it. So this is the about section of website, and this is the investment plan section. You can see investment plans. You can list your investment plans here from admin panel. Why you choose HYIP, and here is the section of profit calculator. You can calculate your profit. So here how HYIP work, you have to create account, invest, to plan and get profit. And these are the question sections: what is about section, our team member section, and our latest transaction section. So many more sections, you can explore it by yourself. So here is the payment we accept. So these are the different payment gateways that are embedded in the website. You can do payments through these platforms. So this is the ranking, latest news. You can also add news, blogs over this website, and this is the photo section. So let's explore some other sections. So this is the about section. You can click over it, and this is the overview of about section. So this is a plan section. This is blog section, and this is the contact section. So you can see. So this is a very amazing website, HYIP Lab. Now let's see how we can make changes in this website. So for that, I'm going to open the admin panel. So admin, and you have to. So admin panel is opened. So you can see how amazing this admin panel is. Dashboard, total user option, active user option, email unverified option, mobile unverified option, total deposits, pending deposits, reject deposits, and deposit. You can see all your details here in your dashboard. And the amazing thing about this PHP script is that here you are given with the graph. You can see the graph of your profit and loss. Here you can explore some other options: manage plans, manage referrals, investment report, user ranking, manage users, and promotional tools, payment gateways. Here are general setting options. In general setting, you can basically change your website settings, website name, and currency, and other details. Here's logo favicon option. Here you can change your logo of website. You can add your own logo on the website basically. And SEO manager options, and some other options. You can see you can explore all these options, and you can see all these options. So here manage template. You can also change template of the website. So there are 5 templates are given to you. You can choose any template you want. So manage pages. You can add pages, delete pages, and add content to these pages from here. So you can see all other options. You can see withdrawals, deposit, payment gateways, automatic payment gateways. You can see there are many payment gateways are given to you in this website. So this is a quick overview of the website. Now let me tell you one thing, that to create this website you need HYIP Lab PHP script. So this is the Code Canyon PHP script. You can see this script has 554 sales and recently updated, and the price of the script is $199. Now this is a very huge amount of money that you don't want to invest, and this license is for only 1 year. You can see after that 1 year you have to extend it with $999. So if you don't want to spend this much money and you want this license for lifetime, you can contact me on WhatsApp. I will provide you the script in a very low price and for lifetime. So you can explore these options all. So let's start building our website. So I am going to host this HYIP Lab script over localhost, means XAMPP, and you can host it on web server, mean your hosting server. So the installation process remains the same, and so let's start building our website. So here is my PHP script of HYIP Lab. So where is it? So this is the PHP script. I will just copy it, go to your folder where your XAMPP is installed. There is C language, C, and a XAMPP. Go to htdocs folder and paste it in htdocs. So just click on it and extract here. So it will take some time to extract. You can see that our HYIP Lab script has been extracted successfully. So now what you have to do is you have to just copy this text and go to Google Chrome, type localhost, and put this text within these forward slashes, and it is showing some error. It is because my XAMPP server is not on. I have to turn on the XAMPP. So start MySQL and Apache, and so it is opened successfully. You can see now what you have to do is you have to type here files/install. So you can see it is Visor Lab installer window appears, and from here we can install our script. So you have to just click on I agree. So you have to complete all the requirements. So these requirements, you must have to satisfy these requirements in order to install the script. You can see all the requirements. So click on next, and after that you have to create the database. Now this is a section where we have to create database. Now click on type localhost and PHP my admin. So this is my PHP my admin window. Go to database and create the database. So I will create the database with the name HYIP Lab. So create it. After that, click on privileges option and add user account. So username, it is asking for username, so I will enter the username with the same name as of database, HYIP Lab. You can enter any username you want. So enter the password, HYIP Lab. So retype it and scroll down below and check all and click on go button. Now user has been added and database has been created successfully. Now go to your easy installer window by Visor Lab. So enter the name of website that you just created. So database name is HYIP Lab, host name is localhost, and database user is also HYIP Lab, and database password is HYIP Lab. So now create the admin credentials, and admin has been added successfully. Now click on install now. So you can see our website has been created and installed successfully. Your system has been installed successfully, valid license. And now after that you have to go to your HYIP folder and delete the install option. So viewers, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and if you need PHP script, then you can contact me on WhatsApp. Thank you very much.